see. Oh, that's gorgeous. Some frost on the ground here. And in the background, look at that beautiful mountain. Nobody else came and found this campground last night. So just leaving my little camp this morning. Look at these mountains. Yeah. Beautiful. It's going to be a nice day. Pretty hot. I've got probably 1/4 of a liter of water left and 10 miles till water. So I'm starting early. It's 7 o'clock. It doesn't get hot till about 9:30. So I think it'll be perfect because I'm averaging about 3 miles an hour. Do you see that yellow bird? Wow, it's really yellow. Anyway, heading to Wrightwood today. It's about 16 miles away, so not too bad. I'd say I'm getting closer to this mountain with the snow on it. Squirrel. Oh, the chipmunk. I'm coming for you. Look at them beauties. A little valley below. There she blows. I'm averaging about 2.5 miles per hour right now because it's morning. I'm no cheetah. And I'm congested. But it's a beautiful morning all the same. And I'm getting there. Probably near 6,000 feet right now. Maybe higher. I don't know. I haven't looked. So I've got the mountains behind me here a bit there. And I'm still heading up. Not really sure how high I am, but oh look, there's a plane. Maybe 6,000 or 7,000 feet. I don't know. The tree looks cool. Figured I'd stop for a minute and film this. Look at those mountains and the clouds out in the distance. Looks like a sea of cotton. Or maybe whipped cream. It's pretty cool. I'm at 7,133 feet. And climbing. but I had to stop and sit here for a minute because it's just such a cool view. And I wanted to take it in for a few minutes. Especially those clouds over there. I think that looks so neat. Not cool. I'm at elevation 805, 8,005 feet. And it's cooled down a lot. It's just a little bit of snow on that guy. Water's in like 3 miles and I am totally out. But I'm close. So no big deal. Yeah. Well, I've made it to the top of the mountain. I'm at about 8,300 feet. And I'm going to be looking for Highway 2 as my benchmark. And hopefully some water before that. Got cold, so I had to put my coat on. I've seen a couple little patches of snow, but nothing to brag about, nothing to write home about. So I think my hike up Baden Powell is going to be pretty decent. I'm happy about that. Pretty gorge. See, there's some little snow patch down there. Oh, look how close I am now. I'm practically there. Remember when these were way off in the distance? Giant trees. And doing my trekking poles like batons. I think this next bend is going to have some cool views. I'm not sure though. Won't know until I get there. Wrightwood's around here somewhere. Here it is, here it is. Oh, what do we have? Oh yeah. That's real nice. Maybe that's Baden Powell. Maybe that's what I'm going over. Hell, I don't know. And they probably won't till I get there. Alright then. Oh look, snow on the trail. This is the first snow on the trail I've seen today. Lovely. Very lovely. Just a little bit. Alright, so there's a little snow crossing again. Not much. At least I know there's water if I want it. Not bad though. I am entering the Angeles National Forest boundary. Oh, I said it right. Maybe I should have done that again. Maybe I should do that again. I said it right. What will people have to correct me on? Oh, new national forest. Look how pretty. Look at those clouds. See if I can get to focus on them. Way off there in the distance. Way down low. I'm close to 9,000 feet now, I think. Pretty positive. Pretty positive. That is Baden Powell. I don't know. I already passed the spur trail into Wrightwood, but I don't want to mess with that. I'm going to hit up Highway 2 at the bottom of Baden Powell for a hitch. I found some lovely drinking water in a puddle. So delish. Knew I'd find water. I haven't seen many animals or critters today. I wonder why. So came from that way. Came from over yonder. Heading this way. There's a lot of big city down there. And there's not much up here. Besides that tree. That tree's up here. And that epic view of the mountain. And this tree. Just trying to survive. Look at that smog line. That is so beautiful. Look at that. So there's a lot more snow on this other half. Not crazy, but enough to slow you down a tad here and there. And I swear I've seen a couple cougar tracks, but they look pretty old. So not really that worried, but still keeping my head on a bit of a swivel since I'm hiking alone at the moment. I'm pretty sure they rolled tracks though, so not too big of a deal. And I should be in town a couple miles, so meh. You have beautiful nature on this side, and then you pan around. Like, are we really improving something here? Trust me, I don't want to trespass into there. Maybe it's useful. I just hate seeing it. Especially when I'm out here trying to enjoy my Pacific Crest trail hike. Last thing I want to hear is bulldozers and watching landscape get plowed. Ooh, I can almost not hear the construction. Look at how beautiful this is. I think that's a Peyton Powell, actually. I've been eyeballing this other mountain with more snow on it, but I think that's actually what I'm going to be going over. And you know, I could take 2 seconds to look at my map and figure it out, but I like surprises. So I'm not gonna. But based on the fact that that other mountain is, you know, behind me now, I'm thinking that might be the one I'll be climbing tomorrow. Actually, I'm lying. I'm going to take a 0 in Wrightwood, and then I'm going to go climb that massive mountain. Yeah. Yeah, that looks like it. Fun. Can't wait. You know, I just wake up in the morning and I'm like, I want to climb another mountain. And then another one. And then another one. And people think I'm nuts. But if you knew what it felt like to be on top of one of these mountains, you carried yourself up. I don't know, I just got goosebumps just saying that. It's like an adrenaline rush that you just, I don't know, certain kind of adrenaline junkie, I guess. The challenge, and then the victory. I'm wired that way. Okay, this is Kathy and this is Kelsey, and we are in Wrightwood. They just gave me a hitch here off the trail, and they like to hike. They just got done hiking, didn't you?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, and she showed me some cougar prints because I saw some cougar prints today, and then they dropped me where some fantastic Mexican food is, so I'm very thankful. Thank you, you guys. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Trail Angels.
Cheers.
Have a really fun, safe trip.
Oh, I will. Thank you.